In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image magnifier to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean zoom on hover effect that helps visitors see product details without leaving the page, which is great for e-commerce, galleries, and portfolios. First, create the image magnifier widget in a builder such as Common Ninja's Image Magnifier. Upload the image you want to showcase and take a moment to choose the zoom type that fits your layout. An inner zoom expands details within the image frame, while a lens-style zoom follows the cursor as a circular or square lens. Adjust the lens size and border to match your brand's look. A quick tip: use a high-quality image so the zoom remains crisp, but keep file size reasonable to avoid slowing the page. If your image is long or tall, test how the magnifier behaves at the edges and tweak the settings accordingly. When the design looks right, click Save Changes. Then select Add to Website to generate your embed code. You'll see an HTML and JavaScript snippet. Copy the entire code exactly as it's provided. It helps to paste it temporarily into a note so you don't lose it while switching tabs. Next, open your ClickFunnels page editor for the funnel step, where you want the magnifier to appear. In the editor, add an HTML/code element from the MISC category and place it precisely where you want the image to show on the page. You can drag it into a row or column and fine-tune spacing with padding and margins so it aligns nicely with your headings, buttons, and other content. If your design uses multiple columns, drop the HTML element into the column that matches your layout plan. Now paste the embed code you copied into that HTML block. Make sure nothing is truncated and that you're pasting into the code element, not a text element. Save your changes, then preview the page. On desktop, move your cursor over the image and you should see the magnifier effect in action. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the preview, clear your cache, or open the preview in an incognito window. Also confirm you place the code in the correct funnel step. Before wrapping up, quickly test on different devices. Some magnifier styles behave differently on touchscreens, so adjust lens size or zoom type if needed in the widget builder and resave. That's it. Your ClickFunnels page now features a polished image magnifier that enhances detail without cluttering the design.